So here is another question on arithmetic progression, the nth term, general term of arithmetic progression. So it is given, find the sum of the two middle terms of the arithmetic progression given by minus 4 by 3, minus 1, minus 2 by 3, and the last term is 4 whole 1 by 3. Okay, so first we'll write the arithmetic progression. So it is minus 4 by 3, minus 1, minus 2 by 3, and 4 1 by 3. Okay, so here there are two important things. First, the first term a, which is equal to minus 4 by 3, and the common difference. So here the common difference will calculate. So minus 1 minus 4 by 3, which is equal, this is the common difference, so is equal to minus 1 plus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 4, which is equal to, it is equal to, so the common difference here is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so we have the first term equals to minus 4 by 3, the common difference equal to 1 by 3. Then here we have the last term, it is 4 whole 1 by 3. So here we don't know exactly how many number of terms are present. So using the last term, we write it as the nth term, which is equal to a plus n minus 1d. We know the value of a and d, we'll use it to calculate the value of n. So 4 whole 1 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3 plus n minus 1 into 1 by 3. That implies it is 13 by 3 is equal to, so we'll take it to the other side, so it is 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3, which is equal to n minus 1 by 3. So that implies this is 17 by 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by 3. So this gets cancelled, so we have here I'm writing it, that implies n minus 1 is equal to 17, that implies n is equal to 18. So there are total 18 terms here. Okay, our objective is to calculate the sum of the two middle terms. Okay, so here if we split 18 into two halves, we will have 9 terms on each side. So starting with the first term, 1, that is T1 to T9, okay, and then T10 to T18. Okay, so 9 terms here, 9 terms here, total 18 terms. We have to calculate the sum of these two middle terms, that is T9 plus T10. Okay, T9 plus T10. So it is T9 is a plus 9 minus 1d, which is equal to a plus 8d. So it is minus 4 by 3 plus 8 into 1 by 3, so 8 by 3. So it is how much? Minus, this is 3 LCM, and minus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 4 by 3, that is T9. And T10 is a plus 10 minus 1d, is is equal to a plus 9d. So it is minus 4 by 3 plus 9 into 1 by 3. This becomes 3 here. So it is minus 4 by 3 plus 3. So it is same minus 4 plus 9 is equal to 5 by 3. Now T9 plus T10, that is equal to 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3 equal to 3 LCM plus 5 is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So this is the sum of the two middlemost terms. Okay, 3. This is the solution. Okay, so using the basic general nth term formula and the information which is given in the question, we determine the solution. So here is another question on arithmetic progression. So it is given the 7th term of an AP is minus 4 and its 13th term is minus 16. We have to find the arithmetic progression. So it's based on the nth term formula, where the nth term of an AP, any general nth term, it is given by a plus n minus 1 d, where a is the first term of the arithmetic progression and d is the common difference and n is the particular position, location of the term from the start. So here it is given that the 7th term, which is basically a plus 7 minus 1d, which is equal to a plus 6d, that is equal to minus 4. The 13th term, which is a plus 13 minus 1d, which is equal to a plus 12d, that is equal to minus 16. So we have to find the arithmetic progression. So here we have two equations, 1 and 2. Suppose we subtract 1 from 2. Okay, so we write a plus 12d equals to minus 16, a plus 6d equals to minus 4, and we subtract both. So it is minus, minus, this is plus. This gets cancelled, a and minus a. This is 12 minus 6, 60 is equal to minus 16 plus 4, which is equal to minus 12. So that implies d is equal to minus 12 by 6, which is equal to minus 2. So the common difference is equal to minus 2. Putting this value of d in any of these equations, we can get the value of a. So let's say we put it here. So a plus 6 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. As a is equal to minus 4. This is minus 12. Here to the RHS it goes, becomes plus 12. So it is 8. So the first term is 8. The common difference is minus 2. So the arithmetic progression is 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2, like that. Okay, this is the arithmetic progression. Okay,